This is Jasmine from the Lazy Woman Diary, and this is my Mount Kinabalu Multi-Peak Adventure.
It's hard to miss.
Come along for the journey. Before heading to Kundasang, our group had already secured slots for Maragang Hill. And here is how you can secure your own slot.
But I wanna go to a place where I can call you mine. I saw you in my Insta stories and you were looking at me, I was looking at
Maragang, Malaysia's highest hill and the acclimatization hike before Mount Kinabalu.
your silhouette.
This is also where many hikers prepare their bodies for higher altitude and thinner air.
It's hard to love your silhouette. I've been writing on the paper, but the ink won't.
Some hikers even climb Maragang Hill as a recovery hike after Mount Kinabalu.
But we can call each other. There's a place and time for that, but that's not right now. And I miss all of those nights of us talking.
Tandas kedua di 600 meter dan tandas.
You were looking at me, I was looking at you. It's so sad. There's nothing we can do. It's hard to love your silhouette. I can feel you in the same room, but you are far away. It's hard to love your silhouette. I've been writing on the paper, but the ink won't stay. It's hard to love your silhouette. It's hard to love your silhouette. I can feel you in the same room, but you're far away. It's hard to love your silhouette. And I've been writing on the paper, but the ink won't stay. It's hard to love your silhouette. Damn, I miss you. It's hard to miss you. Somebody that knew me like nobody knew me ever before.
Another 600 meters to go.
But I wanna go to a place where I can call you mine. I saw you in my
Sikit lagi.
stories and you were looking at me, I was looking at you. It's so sad. There's nothing we can do. It's hard to love your silhouette. I can feel you in the same room, but you are far away. It's hard to love your silhouette. I've been writing on the paper, but the ink won't stay. It's hard to love your silhouette.
100 meters to go.
But we can call each other. There's a place and time for that, but that's not right now. And I miss all of those nights of us talking. It's so exhausting to let you go. You were looking at me, I was looking at you. It's so sad. There's nothing we can do. It's hard to love your silhouette. I can feel you in the same room, but you are far away. It's hard to love your silhouette. I've been writing on the paper, but the ink won't stay. It's hard to love your silhouette.
Now we are heading to the toilet as well as the campsite. Hello, dari mana?
We are from Tuhau.
Tuhau. Hello, Tuhau. Okay, so this is the campsite. Nice campsite. Hello there. This is called Kogopon Campsite, RM90 per person, and you need a minimum of 5 people to camp here. And this is the toilet.
What's my movie? And then now, after 11 years of the last meeting together.
Hello, Sabah. Hello.
It's hard to miss you. Somebody that knew me like nobody knew me ever before. I know we both need space and time,
Maragang Hill. Ben.
but I wanna go to a
After the hike, it was time to eat. A taste of local Sabahan delicacies, Tuhau fried chicken, and of course my comfort food. And this KFC was special as Mount Kinabalu was visible before my eyes. In the mountain, I find clarity, and in food, I find joy.
I could feel you in the same room with you.
Maragang Hill was a reality check for me. I thought I could carry all 15 kg of my gears, but not long into the hike, I started feeling shortness of breath. I have decided to offload about 3 kg to the porter, while some of my hike mates offloaded between 6 to 8 kg. Looking back, it was the right decision for me to do. Mount Kinabalu Multi-Peak is challenging, especially when you are carrying your load from Timperhorn Gate all the way up to Gurhka Hut Base Camp. It's not just the climb, but learning how to manage your load and knowing your limits along the way.
Okay.
And my adventure continues, but not everything went as planned.
Ooh, it's so sad.
Johnny is not feeling well, so he is taking a rest in Gurhka Hut.
And just like that, the journey took another turn, but we kept going.
It's hard to love your silhouette. I've been writing on the paper, but the ink